guys, today is the first day of December and I thought it'd be fun to make a vlog, and this might be over a couple of days, but of me getting ready for the holidays in our little small apartment. I thought it'd be fun just because I'm trying to think of creative ideas to decorate this place while not drilling a ton of holes in the walls, and we're moving in about 6 months, so not buying too much stuff that I'll have to move soon. I thought it'd be fun to make a video of how I'm decorating for the holidays in a little small apartment. Also, my face is super red because I have this like apple cider vinegar toner spray it's actually very good for my skin, but it makes me very red, and normally I use it at nighttime. And this is why. So if my face is a little red, it'll tone down. It takes time. I'm also wearing a sweater to honor the first day of December. This is one I got in Peru with like the little alpaca llama boys. Yeah, so I'm very excited. Today is a little busy. We're about to go to church because it's Sunday. We're gonna go with our friends Christmas tree shopping. They asked us to go. I don't think we're gonna get a Christmas tree this year unless there's like a one for like $10. I think, well, I have a couple ideas and I'll kind of share them as I go, but we're gonna go with them just for fun, and it'll be a fun little thing to do, so I might get little snippets of that, but I'm not gonna talk there just because we're gonna be with our friends. And then some other ideas I have these Christmas lights that I just had in like my dorm and stuff that I'll probably hang up above this couch here, just on this wall. And Josh's mom, she got us these like glass jar that they light up. There's a gold, silver, and a rose gold one, or I guess a copper one, and they're really pretty, and she has them in her house, so she got us these last year. I figured, well, it's finally time to put them out, and they can be on a timer, so they can be on like an 8-hour timer or something, so once it starts to get dark you push the timer and they'll turn on, and then they'll automatically turn off when it becomes light time. So that's light time, daytime, that's the word. Another thing I already own is this, which is a tomta. Some people just call these like little Christmas gnomes or whatever. No, this is a tomta, which is like a Swedish little like troll gnome guy. I don't know, but this is a very big one, so we're gonna put him maybe not right here, but this is very Christmassy, so that is fun. Yeah, I missed all like the Black Friday like Christmas deals because I wanted to actually have a life, so I think it was worth it. We have to get going, so I'll kind of vlog throughout the next couple of days and show you what I'm doing. Okay, so it's about 1:45. Starting in 20-ish, 30 minutes, we're gonna go to Costco with our friends because they might have good deals on like artificial trees or even a real tree if they have Norfolk pines. But if not, then just anything we see there, we have to just get food there anyways. And then the idea is to go to Michael's to get, I think it'd be fun to either buy a wreath or make one, because I saw some cute, seemingly easy ones to make on Etsy, but they're way too expensive, so I'll either buy a cute one at Michael's or get the supplies to make one myself.
Sorry.
No, it's fine. And then after that, it'd be fun. Oh, I heard Lowe's has good deals on like pretty large Norfolk pines, and I know I don't like to buy. And so that's what's gonna happen today. Oh, also just like general decorating. So I just remembered before we go that I have these like Swedish table runners that I grew up on, and I'm not sure like the brand or anything. So here's that. So I was wanting to do like a table runner, but I think I'm gonna wipe down this table and then put whichever one I feel like is more festive, which is probably gonna be the poinsettia one. Okay, so we just got back from what was gonna be just a quick trip to Costco to help our friends out. Turned out to be, we got like an actual baby Christmas tree. So we went to Costco with our friends and they got one, and it was actually a pretty bad deal. So if you're watching this and for some reason are looking for a Christmas tree and haven't bought one, don't get them from Costco. Lowe's has a way better deal and you can pick out like the size and all that, whereas Costco, at least for us, is like a flat rate for all of the trees. We found this at Lowe's because I was just going to get a Norfolk pine, which is an indoor houseplant, and they actually are in a pine. They are like tropical and need a lot of light and have pretty soft like bristles. So yeah, we were gonna get the Norfolk pine and put it on this barrel right here, and I was gonna hope that it'd get enough sunlight from this window, but it doesn't get a ton of light. People said that Lowe's had Norfolk pines. But yeah, so I was just gonna get a Norfolk pine, and I wasn't sure if I was gonna keep it after the holidays or not, just because I didn't want a pine. That's not like a houseplant that I desire to have. But I was like, I'll at least buy one because people said they were around $20. But then I found this, which is just like the top of a fir tree, and it was 30 bucks, and it was just at Lowe's. And this is what it is. It's sideways because we had them chop off the last little bit, because I guess that's what you should do with trees, like Christmas trees that you buy, is have them kind of chop off the bottom inch just to keep it fresh, keeps them from dying. And it came in the stand, but it's frozen, so I was letting it thaw out in the sink just to kind of dislodge the ice and the old trunk. So that's why the tree is sideways right now, because we'll kind of shove it back in that stand. So then I wanted to get a wreath just to put on the inside of the door, because since we live in an apartment, I feel like the outside of our door, I don't feel like decorating. So I want to put a wreath on the inside, which might sound weird, but that's what I wanted. And I found cute ones on Etsy that I was gonna maybe make, but Lowe's had this one, which is actually pretty cute, because Costco had wreaths, but they had like pine cones and berries on it, and I didn't like the look of it. But they had this one, which was, how much is it? $15 for this, and I thought it was really cute, so I'm just gonna put it on that door right there. Oh, and these are, both of those are real, so it's minimal plastic and waste. We did get these, which are 4 sets of these like tiny lights, and I've wanted these in general, and I know it's something that maybe you could get secondhand, but I don't know how many people are selling these. So I was originally gonna wrap the Norfolk pine in this because I didn't think the pine would be able to hold actual lights, but this treetop can. So I have Christmas lights that I'll just put around that, and these I think I'll put around the wreath and maybe like along the hutch and stuff. I don't know, so I'm gonna do that. Oh, the tree is falling. And then lastly, we have these, we only own 3 ornaments. We own these 2 little reindeer, and then this thing that was at church last year that I was like, oh, that's cute. But I eventually would like to get maybe a star topper for the tree, and I want to get an ornament that's like our first Christmas together with our last name and stuff. But I'll order that from Etsy, so that won't come for a while. But I think like a topper of some sort would look cute on the tree, but I don't know if that'll happen today. So I'm gonna start getting those things together, and I'll just record us getting those things together.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
Hello everybody, it is now the next day and I just finished editing and I realized I didn't really film an outro. But yeah, everything that you saw is pretty much all that we're doing. I did order, maybe I could pull it up, I did order like our first Christmas ornament from Etsy, but it won't come here until like December 15th or something. So I wanted to upload this video before it comes, so I didn't decide to wait until I got the ornament, but I can at least show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, and then you obviously pick your own name, and then we were established 2019. The shop is Ice Cream and Hall of Holiday. I don't know, but I thought it was a cute ornament, and I'm cheesy apparently. But other than that, we might take these lights and extend them across this balcony. I still have 2 packs of those little baby fairy lights, and we were thinking about either wrapping them around this little pole in our kitchen, this thing, or putting them around the hutch. I'm not sure yet, but I thought I'd at least put this video. I don't know if it was very interesting, but I thought it was fun just to record yesterday, just like a little vlog. I was gonna maybe string some popcorn and put that on the tree, but honestly I think it looks good with just the ornaments, and it's such a short tree that I think if we did have like a not a garter, a garland around it, it would just be too busy. So I think we'll just have the 3 and then soon 4 ornaments and then the lights around it. So no popcorn string this year. Hey, thanks for watching. Okay, you guys are great. See you next time. Bye.